Here she is. She's gonna cast out her reel. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, this
Cast
is
out her line.
my line. Ready?
Oh. Did you unlock it? No.
No. Did you have to get that on camera?
Yeah. So here we are. Watch her do her thing.
What's that? Are you still recording this?
I am. It's alright. This will just go on the blooper reel. It's not like I don't know how to edit things, right? Don't get the line caught up.
That's what was happening.
There.
Here we go. Let's do this. Ah!
Okay. Reel it back in. Don't reel it back in. Don't unlock it. Alright. Now hook. Now unlock. Good. There. Easy.
Come on, fishy, fishy.
There it is. So
I let it sit a little longer. Oh.
Des has already got a little bit of a technique down in attracting some fish, and she's got some small fish that came, and they're gonna go tell the big homies now that there's some food out this afternoon. They're about to have some lunch.
Right.
What they don't know is they're about to be lunch. Ya dig?
Dun dun dun.